Repointing Preston. Over time, the elements can take their toll on your brickwork. Mortar erodes, leaving your building susceptible to water damage. Structural instability and loss of its original charm. That's where repointing comes in. Repointing is the process of renewing the external part of mortar joints. It restores not just the physical strength of your property, but its aesthetic appeal too. By investing in repointing, you're enhancing the longevity of your property, improving its value, and preserving its character. Give your property the care it deserves. For a free no-obligation quote. For domestic or commercial repointing services, call a local repointing specialist 07360495920.